Hello everybody, I'm at the vending machine. We have the I have no idea what it is, but this is the Chevy C10. I want to show you this, the crash car recolored in blue. Very nice. And we have another recolor of the Alfa Romeo, also in blue. First color in red, then we have gray, and this is the Aston Martin drag racer in silver Zamek color, and behind we have the Honda 800, the VW van in racing, and there is a majorette Mitsubishi Lancer, very nice and very expensive. We have the Dodge Power Wagon, let's see what we have beside. This is very nice. Some Tomica and Mini GT and Eno 64. This is also very nice. Hot Wheels new casting, a Nissan Primera. Hot Wheels Nissan Primera, this should be interesting. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.